Hey everybody, it's Sammy and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place on YouTube for martial artists to improve their training. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite training products, and that is the Samery martial arts training hurdles. I love working with these because you can do so much with them. You can do just like a short, quick agility workout, or you can use them as a warm-up, or you can incorporate them into some exercises with kicking drills as well. At our studio, we are back to having small group classes with everything distance. We have rings taped off and the kids come in. They are sanitized, we check their temperature. They are in their squares in their own space the whole entire time. So having these training hurdles for each of them is a really good way so that they can keep getting more of a workout without actually interacting with each other. If you do want to get some training hurdles, I will leave a link in the description below, and also if you use the code SAMERY10 you get 10% off of anything that you buy on the Samery Martial Arts website. If you have any questions or you want to see some more training videos, make sure that you let me know in the comments below, and let's go ahead and get started with the video. I hope you enjoyed all of those exercises and it inspired some ideas to add into your training. If you guys want to see some other kind of workout type of videos, make sure you let me know in the comments and I will go ahead and start working on getting some more videos out. Don't forget to follow me on the @LiveMartialArts Instagram, because on there I am always posting different training ideas to help you improve in your training. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the training videos, and I will see you guys all next week for the next video. Bye guys!